guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naz Arora. I am so sorry if you hear my dog barking. I don't know what's like something's wrong with him. He's not listening. So I cannot help but you have to manage in today's video with his help. Also I got a new trim. So how do you like it? Do you like it on me? What do you think? I got a little bit of bangs but on the longer side. This is what they look like. That's a little bit of an update. And yeah, today's video is about Zara's haul. So I did a Zara sale haul earlier, a couple of days back, and today I have another Zara haul. These products like are some of them are in fresh and some of them are on sale. So I just wanted to show it to you quickly. Let's begin without wasting any time. Well, the first thing I got are these flats. These are tie-up flats, and I got them for 1950 as the sale tag says. I like the fact that they are golden and they have a brown base, so they can be literally worn with everything. And I think for a product that's worth around, these are for 3,000. So I think it's a fair deal to get them at 1950, and their footwear they will run long. Like I've never had a bad experience with Zara footwear, so I think I'll keep them. So the next product is very unique. This is the first of its kind that I got. It's this halter neck sailor dress, like striped dress. I love stripes, and it has a beautiful cut at the back. It's pretty low, so I don't know if I'll how I am going to wear it. But this is like a halter neck, so you wear it something like that. Oh, guys, doesn't it look like an apron? So it has to be tied like this, and let's it has like button details here. Yeah, got this for 950, which I think is a fair price, and this is in the size L. I think this would fit me well. So I have not yet tried these products.
So this is how it looks on me. I think it looks pretty damn good. I love it. I love the back. The back is not actually a tie-up. You have to like put it the buttons into each other.
Well, this is the third product that I got. This is a product in fresh. This is a shirt, beautiful striped shirt. I love the material. It's very different, and I wanted something very chic and classy. I got it for my mom. This is in the size small, and this is for 2950. It's a fresh product. It has these golden buttons, if you can see. So yeah, this is the next product that I got.
Honestly, I love how they look together. Both look beautiful paired together. I think I like the shirt.
Another beautiful thing that I got is this satin skirt from Zara sale. No, this is sorry, this isn't fresh. This is again priced at 2950, and this is what it looks like. It's a basic satin skirt, full length, and I have been longing to get one of this in white and one in red, and I think this would really look good on my skin tone. So yeah, this is in the size L, and this says Mexican size 30, European and US size L. So yeah, I love the flare, love the color. I think it'll look very good.
Well, I love how this is fitting and looking on me. So pretty.
So the next product that I got is this. This is a white maxi full length. It's like this dual material. This is like very this is cotton, the lower half. The upper half is a stretchy thing. So this is what it looks like. It again is for 950, and it's a beautiful maxi dress, but I think this will be too loose on me. So I don't think I'll be keeping it, but yeah, I'm yet to try it.
It is a nice casual fit, I think, and can be worn up or down. So, what do you think?
So the next product is very unique in my opinion. This is in the size XL. I feel it's at a size up, might be a wrong size, but this is for 1750. It was earlier for 3590. This has this skirt, like it's a trouser in general, like a plazo, and it has this layering on top, like a skirt kind of layering on top. So yeah, looks pretty chic, and it's like a divider skirt kind of thing, but half a skirt, like half an area. It's a drape. Looks good, I think.
So, I went to a brand event, and that's how I styled these trousers. I think they look fab and so good. I think that the green on green looks really good. One pastel, one darker green.
Well, the next thing I got is this skirt. Looks so cute. I have never bought a skirt from Zara. This is my first. So this one was for 750. I felt it was on a steal price, and considering it's in brown shade, so definitely a steal. What do you think of this one? I feel it's very cool, and I love the little, detailing, pocket detailing here. I can keep my phone, which is something I want. I want to keep my phone very, very safe all the time. It also has a zipper at the back. So this is in the size L. So yeah.
Well, I think it makes for a cute fit. I wore the same green top again, and I think I really find it very, very cute.
Well, the last product that I got on Zara sale was this tube dress. This is in the size L. It costed me for 950, and this is what it looks like. It has this slit on one side, which I found to be really cool. So that's what it looks like, and then the slit comes this side. So yeah, I like this cute pastel print. I do not have a dress in pastel, and I think I'm going to wear it for today's event. Pretty excited.
Well, of course, I didn't wear the dress to the event, but it looks phenomenal. And it's my best pick for sure. I can literally vouch for that.
Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this Zara haul. And if you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, comment, share, and subscribe. I will see you very soon. Much love. Mwah. Bye.